Hey brothers, welcome to VPN Lab. Today, I'm going to help you grab the biggest discount on NordVPN that's available right now. I've already placed the special discount link down in the description. Just click it and you're all set. You don't need to enter any coupon code because the discount will be applied automatically. And as a bonus, you'll also get an Amazon gift card or another free reward along with it. Once you click on Get NordVPN, you'll see 4 different plans. The first one gives you the basic VPN service, but if you spend just a little more and go for the second plan, the Plus plan, you'll unlock some amazing extra features that make your experience even better. That's the one I personally recommend. But remember, you can choose whichever plan fits your needs best because the discount applies to all of them through my link. After you've chosen your plan, you'll be directed to the checkout page. The discount will already be active there, so you just need to enter your details and complete the purchase. It's that simple. Now, one quick reminder, this special offer is only available through the link I've shared in the description. If you don't use that link, you won't get this exclusive deal, so make sure you grab it from there before the offer ends. If you found this video helpful, do support VPN Lab by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends so they can also take advantage of this deal. Remember, protecting your privacy online isn't a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. With NordVPN, your connection stays encrypted, your data remains private, and you can browse freely without worrying about hackers or trackers. So go ahead and grab your plan today, secure your digital life, and enjoy safe and private browsing wherever you are. Thanks for watching, brothers. And I'll see you in the next video, right here on VPN Lab.